Woodshed in Orange, California. The Woodshed is a one-stop shop for everything a barbecue fan could want. Walking into the office of the Woodshed is like entering the candy store of your imagination. You can find boning and slicing knives, ThermoWorks thermometers and grill alarms, solo stoves and solo stove accessories, and a whole wall of rubs and spices. They are also home to Sharp Gourmet Woods. Sharp specializes in collecting, seasoning, cutting, and bagging some of the most desirable cooking and barbecue woods. You can get logs in single split, double split, whole cut, or half cut. They also sell chunks and kindling. Once you've ordered your wood, they'll bag it up and bring it to your car. At home, use grill hunk slump charcoal along with your Sharp Gourmet wood to set up a great cook.